It was a chilly evening in New York, the streets buzzing with neon lights, lively chatter, and the tempting aroma of street food. As hunger kicked in, a rich, savory scent caught my attention. I followed it to a cozy Japanese restaurant tucked in a quiet corner. Woo! Curious, I stepped inside, took a seat, and ordered sushi. The moment the first piece touched my tongue, I was blown away. The perfect balance of fresh fish, soft rice, and that subtle kick of wasabi. Completely awesome. Bite after bite, I savored the flavors, completely lost in the experience. Ooh la la. It wasn't just food, it was an art. A perfect blend of taste and tradition. Japan and USA? Isn't that unique? Imagine making sushi, ramen, or a fluffy Japanese omelet effortlessly without expensive restaurant bills or complicated recipes. That sounds amazing, right? I know that. Here's the perfect solution. Introducing 8 most essential Japanese kitchen tools that will make cooking authentic Japanese food easier, faster, and more fun than ever. Hope you too enjoy these gadgets. Before proceeding, hit that subscribe button below and do not forget to mention your favorite gadget in the comment box. Number 1. Ice Cream Sandwich Maker. It was a dark night. I sat in silence, staring at nothing, feeling a little off. No one to talk to, no plans, just me and the night. And then it hit me. Why sit in this gloom when I could turn it into a happy, cozy moment? Sometimes all you need is a little sweetness to brighten your world. And what's better than a homemade ice cream sandwich? Fresh, delicious, and filled with your favorite flavors. But wait, making one sounds messy, right? Not anymore. Introducing the Ice Cream Sandwich Maker, your shortcut to the perfect multi-flavored dessert made in seconds. This cool gadget features a simple one-handed design. Just push it into the ice cream, twist the cut, and eject to serve. The stainless steel cutter and high tensile wires slice through chunky vegan gelato or sorbet like magic. It's a kitchen essential that takes your home cooking to the next level. Number 2. Japanese Cake Slicer. Friends, I've seen carpenters shape rough wood into stunning furniture with their precision tools. How accurate these tools are! Have you ever thought of the same? I've read tales of legendary warriors using their bows and arrows with deadly accuracy. Really, what an accuracy that used to be. But what if I told you that a tool just as sharp and precise exists in your kitchen? Not for war, not for woodwork, but for perfectly slicing the softest thing of all, cake. My friends, next gadget is the Japanese Cake Slicer, a next-level kitchen gadget that ensures precision slicing for cakes, breads, and pastries. Its adjustable wires let you slice with accuracy, ensuring every layer is perfectly even for your next baking masterpiece. I'm really excited for this gadget, aren't you? This Japanese cake slicer comes with a comfortable, non-slip grip and a high-quality, easy-to-clean design. This kitchen essential is a must-have for both home cooks and professional bakers. So if you are looking forward to leveling up your baking game, get your hands on this cool gadget today. And don't forget to order the same. Links in the description box below. Number 3. Matcha Whisk and Scoop Set. I always loved beverages. Natural milk, buttermilk, Coke, and tea. Each sip felt like home. Friends, do comment if you've ever tasted any of them. Can you believe I thought nothing could top these refreshing drinks? Until one day, a friend introduced me to something extraordinary. Matcha. And to enjoy matcha in the traditional way, there's a complete set, the Matcha Kit. The perfect tools are a matcha whisk, a chasen for the creamy froth, a chashaku or a scoop for precise measurement, a shawan or tea bowl for perfect mixing, and a whisk holder to preserve the whisk's delicate shape. This matcha whisk and scoop set brings the authentic Japanese tea ceremony to your kitchen, making every sip feel like a ritual of mindfulness and relaxation. Here, the gadgets are so unique that you feel like you're playing with kids. So do enjoy a matcha once in a lifetime, and do leave a comment if you also liked it. Number 4. Fish Scale Remover. Friends, here's a wild story. I was enjoying the sea when chaos erupted. The ship lost control, racing toward a mountain. A titanic moment. Thinking fast, I grabbed my heroine, strapped on a life jacket, and jumped overboard. But just as I caught my breath, the real nightmare began. A giant shark came straight at me, jaws wide open. It was hungry, and it didn't know one thing. I love eating fish, more than sharks love eating me. And lucky for me, I had the Top Chef fish scaler in hand. It was either me or the shark, and I'm here, friends. I'm here for you to describe the gadget, because this next level kitchen gadget makes fish preparation effortless, removing stubborn scales with precision. Featuring stainless steel serrated sawtooths, it ensures perfectly clean fish, even in hard-to-reach spots. The ergonomic non-slip handle provides a comfortable grip, while the no-fly zone technology keeps your kitchen or your ocean clean from flying scales. With this fish scale remover, fish is game over. Friends, if you like the gadget, hit the like and subscribe button given below. And number 5, foldable cutting board. I'm all about discipline and precision, just like in karate, judo, and taekwondo. Whether defending a friend or perfecting a cut in the kitchen, the right tool makes all the difference. Strength, precision, and the best kitchen gadgets. Because every move counts. And speaking of precision, the same applies in the kitchen. That's why I train with the best. The foldable cutting board. This next level kitchen gadget is not just a chopping board, it's a 3-in-1 kitchen essential that transforms into a collapsible wash basin and a food storage basket. Chop vegetables, cut meat, wash fruits, or even store food, all with one tool. Made from BPA-free food-grade materials, this space-saving, non-slip foldable cutting board is a must-have. Whether prepping Japanese recipes or chopping veggies, this top Japanese kitchen gadget makes cooking effortless. So slice away and stand for the truth. Number 6, ceramic bowls. Culture sets you apart, right? Even as a global powerhouse, Japan preserves its rich traditions, artistry, and unique cooking methods, fascinating food lovers like me. And when it comes to the best kitchen gadgets, Japan's precision is unmatched. See for yourself. Introducing the Japanese-style rice bowls, a kitchen must-have that blends tradition with modern practicality. This beautiful 6-piece ceramic set isn't just about looks, it's designed for home cooking, restaurant service, and elegant presentation. Made from high-quality food-grade ceramics, these bowls are durable, heat-resistant, and perfect for everything. From Japanese recipes, soups, stews, pasta, and snacks. My mouth's watering, man! Fired for durability, these best kitchen gadgets are microwave, oven, and dishwasher safe. Japanese gadgets. That's really a great show to have. Friends, bring an authentic Japanese cuisine experience into your home, perfect for gifting or elevating your own kitchen organization. You can order the same by clicking the link in the description box. Number 7, chopstick trainer. Friends, have you ever been in that awkward moment at a fancy Japanese restaurant where everyone's effortlessly using chopsticks, but you just can't get a grip? You try, you fumble, your sushi drops. Embarrassing, right? Friends, did you ever face this same situation? Sometimes maybe you're at home trying to enjoy some Japanese cuisine, but you just end up using a fork instead. Sticks are quite fishy, isn't it? Well, say goodbye to the struggle. Introducing the chopstick trainer. This cool gadget makes using chopsticks easy and fun. Sounds interesting, huh? Whether you're a complete beginner or just want to refine your skills, this chef's tool helps you master how to cook and eat with chopsticks like a pro. That's really cool, friends! Designed with food-grade materials, an adjustable hinge for different difficulty levels, and soft silicone tips, it offers a realistic and practical experience without the frustration. I really think you should definitely give it a try, shouldn't you? Perfect for adults, kids, or anyone looking to add a touch of authenticity to their meals. Do enjoy these chopsticks and leave a comment below if you like the gadget. Number 8, sushi bazooka. Holding this sushi bazooka, I wondered, could it be a secret life hack, a weapon, a crazy experiment? What if instead of fighting, I used it to create something so delicious that even an evil heart would melt? That's when I realized food has the power to transform. Introducing the DIY Sushi Making Kit, your ultimate tool to craft sushi like a pro. Whether you're a beginner or an expert, this gadget ensures perfectly shaped sushi rolls every time. Made from safe, reusable materials, it comes with a bamboo sushi mat, giving you an authentic Japanese cooking experience at home. No messy roll, no failed attempts, just flawless sushi in minutes. Guys, make sure you comment below if you have ever had sushi, because with these Japanese kitchen gadgets, you're not just cooking, you're leveling up. From chef's tools to smart kitchen hacks, these must-haves make Japanese cooking effortless. So if you love Japanese cuisine and want to master how to cook authentic dishes at home, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing kitchen essentials and Japanese recipes.